So the job today is to replace this anode rod, which this is a unique type of anode rod. There are also 4 anode rods in here, but it's a major pain to get to those. So American Standard has made this new type of anode rod where you can put it in this cleanout right here, and then you replace the gasket, you throw this in there, and then this cable type thing sticks out, and you don't have to go through the hassle of taking everything off. Having issues draining this thing, so what we're gonna do is back this off, jam a screwdriver in there, see if we can loosen up any sediment, and then put it back on. Wish us luck. So we are blocked majorly with sediment in here.
That means that circ pump is barely working too, then, huh? Lock the door, huh?
Oh, let's try that. A little rebar.
Catch away from the door. Okay. Okay, sure.
Nah, let's give it a try.
What it's running up against. How far are we getting in?
It's in a good 12 inches probably.
Wow. How can it be? So there's sediment just above that then?
Well, that's what the guy was saying, is that I think I just said this then.
Right,
that,
I get it.
That you may open this. He actually said it may be, you may have sediment up to here.
Right, that's...
And I was like, there's no way. He goes, trust me. So, and that was a tech support guy from American Standard. So we failed. Couldn't get it.